In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from the Kraken app to your bank account. To do this, just go and open up the Kraken app, and from there you want to go and head into your portfolio. Now when you scroll down, you can see your crypto as well as stablecoins, and if you have any fiat currency or cash available, you will also see that right here. Now first you will need to sell the crypto that you want to withdraw. So for this example, I'll just sell my Ethereum right here. So you can just go and click trade, then select sell for cash, and I'll just do all of it for this example and then click confirm. So after doing that, again, go to your portfolio and you will then also be able to see your cash. Now from there, click transfer in the bottom and select withdraw cash or crypto. From there, under cash, go and select whichever currency you use, which for me is euro. And then here you can then select how much you want to withdraw, and you can select where you want to withdraw to. So I've already linked a Revolut bank account, but if you click on it, you can see all of your linked bank accounts, and you can also click add new withdrawal method in order to add a new one. So you can see, for example, you can select SEPA and SEPA Instant, then here just enter your bank account IBAN. Then you can add a nickname for your bank account, and then it will say confirm your account details. So then just go and click confirm, and the name on your bank account must match the name on your Kraken account, so make sure that those are both under your name. So after also adding the bank account, just go and select it, and again enter how much you want to withdraw, and then from here you can click on withdraw. And now the withdrawal has been initiated. You can now click done, and it's on its way to your bank account. So you can see under activity, currently it's pending, and it can take a little while, so it's in progress right now. So that's how we can withdraw money from the Kraken app to your bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.